Man, let me show you guys this real quick, man. Everybody who has a Chrysler 300, man, they need this. Everybody, man, who, if you ever go to car shows, you ever want to just go out and you want to rep, I'm gonna show you some other shit. Everybody need this, man. I wore this today, man, so don't, look at it wrinkled or whatever. And it's dope. It's all black. We got the Chrysler 300. I made it. My shirt. Why am I gonna wear Nike? Why? I mean, I rock with Nike still, whatever. I ain't gonna lie. But why am I gonna spend a whole bunch of money, man, going to JCPenney's, Macy's, Burlington Coat Factory, Gucci, Louis Vuitton to wear some shit, man, where I can make it myself and I can support myself, man, and maybe do something different, man. So that's what I'm on now, man. I'm not on buying anybody else's stuff. And the thing is, man, I'm tall, I'm 6'5", man, so none of my stuff ever fits right, so I wear it for like a week, I wash it, I accidentally dry it, and it shrunk, and now it look dumb. So I'm gonna make my own stuff, man. So this is the black and white shirt, Chrysler 300. If you got a car show and you got a Chrysler 300, man, there's no reason why you shouldn't have this shirt. I'm not even gonna, say too much, man. You guys already know. It's dope. Everybody, I know. The thing is, man, I know you guys like blue because that's the majority of the colors that when people buy. Hold on. Look at my toes either. When they buy the Chrysler 300 door lights, man, that's the majority of the color. Hold on, I'll give you the color so you guys know. That's the majority of the colors that people buy. It's the blue. So, of course, I'm gonna make a shirt. Blue. But, sometimes, man, when you go out, man, you wanna just look a little crazy. You want something a little flamboyant. So that's when we're gonna go to the office, man. This is the underground man office. We're gonna cook something up, man. We literally gonna cook something up, man, because that's a heat press and we got a computer in there. So the design is gonna come from my mind onto the computer, to the vinyl cutter, to the vinyl cutter, to the heat press. From the heat press gonna heat it up and we're gonna make a shirt. So yeah, man, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna mix it up, man, do a little colorful thing. Cause sometimes, like I said, man, you just wanna go out, you wanna be a little different, man. But anyway, let's go real quick. Hold on, let me make this up. Let me plug this in. I'm not gonna show you guys the whole process because I'm sure I've done it before. But if you guys want me to give you the walkthrough and all that, man, let me know. I just gotta set up everything because right now, like I said, I'm not trying to show you the garage too much. I don't have everything set up on the tripod. But if this video get 100 likes and I get 100 subscribers from this video and 100 comments, I'll walk you guys through the whole process, man, of making a shirt. And I don't know, maybe give it away. Or maybe I'll do it live, man. If I get 100 likes, 100 comments, and 100 subs from this video, I'll make a video live and I'll make a shirt live and I'll give it away. But for right now, man, I'll just give you guys the highlights. All right, so it cut, man. Like I gotta hold it a certain way, so I didn't really record. I didn't have time to record, but you guys can kind of see the shapes and designs or whatever. So it's cut out. I just gotta weed it out now, so it's actually the design and not all the excess vinyl. And then we're gonna take it to the heat press, put it on the shirt. You guys probably already know what shirt I'm gonna put it on, what type of color. So we're gonna get the Superman theme going on, man. Blue and red. Just because I think it's dope. I don't know. Just because I want to. I don't know. I might not ever wear this shirt, man, but I probably will wear it. Actually, I made it, so why not? Blue and red, why not? But I'm gonna cut this out, man, and then I'm gonna weed it out, and then I'll show you guys pressing it and all that stuff, and the finished result. Yo, I'm gonna put these on the site, man. I'm gonna put the shirt on the site, but when I tell you guys, man, this shit took a long time to weed out. If it was just some letters or something like that, some me and Team XYZ or whatever, it's easy to do it, whatever. But when you got little small, intricate little, hold on, let me try to, small little intricate things, man, you don't want to peel too much. You don't want to, you got to remember and it's flipped. It's not hold on, let me show you guys. I'm not trying to, this ain't no, a t-shirt tutorial or anything like that, man. I just want to show things that I think is dope and how I do them, so just want to show you guys. So it kind of messes up your mind because you got to weave it the opposite way, because we're going to put it on the shirt. But man, these little small intricate details, man. Basically what I'm saying is, man, if I put this on the site and you guys order, don't expect it to go out the same day. You know, if you guys like these shirts, cool. If not, it's all good too, because I'm gonna make them, you know, keep making them and rocking with them, and I'm gonna switch up the design and I'm gonna do different things. But this is not something that I can knock out 5, 10, 20 at a time and just get them all. Nah, you can't do it, bro. It took me a long time to like weed this one out, and it's sticky, you know, so it's like, it's tough. It's tough, man. But anyway, we're gonna get it going. First thing I need to do, I'm gonna show you guys this, and then I'm gonna pretty much just show you the finished product. I'm gonna turn my heat press on. It's heating up right now. Hold on, it was already on actually. All right, so it's heating up right now. I'm gonna turn this off. We don't need this anymore. So that's off. And then we're gonna get to it, man. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like when it's done. We're gonna make a little Superman color themed shirt, 300, you know, and we just gonna see what it looked like, man. I'm gonna make a whole bunch of different colors and options and styles, and not just that logo. I'm gonna mix it up, but you guys know for right now, this is the logo that I'm rocking with, so this is gonna be my thing. So if you see anybody, if you see these out here, if you see this on any other site, if you see somebody else promoting it and it's not me, if it don't say Mr. 300 somewhere, if you order something and you do not get something for free, if you don't get a key tag, if you don't get, you know, something else, a sticker, if you don't get a decal, if you don't get anything else additional with your order, you got it from somebody who copied me, man. And if you watching it and you copy my joint, you copy my logo, man, you a clown. And we're gonna handle it accordingly. But for right now, man, I'm gonna make the shirt. I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm just gonna make crazy colors, man. I think I'm probably gonna do more crazy colors than standard colors like black and blue. I'm gonna mix it up, man. Like this is gonna be red and blue, and shit, I'll probably green and yellow. I might do turquoise and purple. You know, I'm gonna mix it up, man. But you know, we're gonna go from there.
From Curry!
I know it's dope. I already know it's dope. That's why I'm not saying anything, man. I already know it's dope. I'm gonna put them up. I know it's dope. It's dope to me at least, man. It might not be dope to everybody, but it's dope to me. Why would you not? Why would you not want to rock it, man? Why would you not want to rock one of these when you got the 300, man, when you pull up at a car show, man? Why would you not? Especially if you got a 300, man, your crew, everybody rolling up in one of these, man. Why would you not? Come on, man, come holler at me, man. I know these is dope, man. I'm a little hyped right now, no lie. I didn't think it was gonna come out dope, and it took me a long time to weed out this one for whatever reason. I don't want to mess up this one. You guys can even see, like I put a little extra vinyl right here. I just was playing around with it, but with this one, it took me a long time to get it right. It took me a long time to get it right, man, and I got it. And it looked dope. It looked dope. Comment down below, man. Let me know. Comment down below. Tell me which one is better. Tell me which one is better, man. Tell me if it's the black and blue, or the blue and red. Tell me which one, man. Comment down below, man. Appreciate you guys. Like the video, subscribe, comment down below. Mean Team to XYZ is where all the stuff will be. If it's not up there yet, man, all you gotta do is comment, send me an email, DM me at Mr. 300 on YouTube, on Instagram, do whatever, however you wanna get in contact with me, man. Get in contact with me. And yeah, we'll make it out, man. We'll do some, and you know, tell me what you want, color, all that type of stuff. I'm not gonna put all the combinations up there, but if you DM me or email me, we'll make it happen, man. But it's dope. Appreciate you guys, man.